You got off to a very, very good start. Tell us about it.
Yeah, definitely the result that we wanted. We're happy that we got off the mark in terms of scoring our first goal. The work has just started and we just have to continue working.
In terms of disappointment level, coach, he took the lead, as you said, for an answer there from Cavalier. From a defensive standpoint, how disappointing is that?
Yeah, you're going to be disappointed. Right? You conceded 4 goals, but I said the work just started, so we just have to put in the work and get it right for the next game.
Would you say a fitness problem caused the defeat today?
In terms of fitness, yeah, we know that we're a bit short. We're going to see how best we can sort that out.
Coach in front of goal, moving the ball around in moments quite smoothly, but unable to find that final touch in a dangerous area and also getting off those shots. Area that you're a bit worried about? Is it quality or also just systematic?
No, I think the situation on hand is that a new coach coming in, the other coach would have had pre-season. I have come in and I'm trying something different. I think the guys will get it because we have the quality. It's just to put in the work.
And in terms of what you said, quality, you think this is a team that you can work with to really push them? Or tell us first of all the plans regarding for the season regarding this Dunbeholden.
First and foremost, if I didn't think the quality was there, I wouldn't have taken the job in the first place. I think the quality is here. We just have to go on the training ground and put in the work.
Coach.